What's up everyone? In this video we're going to go through a couple features of QdslR Dashboard. In the first video we installed the program, and in the second video we set up the drivers for Windows to connect to the camera. So I'm going to go ahead and get reconnected. First I'll open QdslR Dashboard, and then I'm going to turn on my camera. So the camera's turned on and plugged in. Now I'm just going to hit this USB icon. It's going to say searching for USB devices, and there we go. You can see me here. It jumps right into the live view. So we're going to do three things in this video. First, we're going to get rid of all this on-screen display that we have. After that, we're going to change the focus. And I'm using a Canon 24mm 2.8, and the autofocus is actually broke on it, so it's set to manual. So we're just going to adjust that, and then we'll record a video and save it to the computer. So first, we're going to get rid of this on-screen display that we have. So you've got a lot of controls over here. This top one opens up some settings, those main ones from the home screen. This one is the one that opens up all your settings. It looks like a calendar icon, so click on that. And then just to turn off the grid, we have grid right here under Live View Display. Can click that and do grid off. Now we see that that grid has gone away. And then OSD is this box right here. So I'm going to turn that off, but first I want to show you how we use that to grab focus. So I'm going to get out of this. I'm just going to click right on my eye so it moves this box around. There we go. Now I'm going to use the digital zoom to grab focus on my eye, and then I'm going to turn this box off. Just to show you, that's how you turn it off. To do the digital zoom, I'm going to lean kind of over here so my eye's in the box. It's this live view area 1x. We're going to go down to 10x, and that'll zoom in to where that box was. So I've already got it in pretty good focus, but if I click out of there, these are the buttons that do focus. So I'm just clicking on this a lot. You can see it's going out of focus. I'm going to click on this one a lot, coming back into focus. So I'll just click on that until I have good focus. That went a little past. That looks good. So now I'll click back on the settings, click the 10x back to 1x. And now I'm in focus, so I'll click OSD and turn that off. So now I've got a clean view here. I can see myself. I know I'm in focus because I did digital zoom. My son here is also in focus, and he's squirming around, so that's good. Now we're going to record a quick video and save it to the computer. So before we do that, I want to show you the setting that controls where it is saved. It'll by default save it into a folder on your computer, so we want to set that up. Click on this top controls here to go to the main control page, and then click on this tool icon. Here we have some general settings and capture settings for the app. If I scroll down, it's got folder for local images, and it's pointing that to a pictures folder on my OneDrive. I'm going to just create a new folder on my desktop and point it there. So I'll create a new folder called DSLR Dashboard Capture. Now I'll change the folder location here. I'm going to click the two dots to go up a level and just keep going back until I'm on my users, Evan M. And then I'll find I think my desktop is in the OneDrive folder. So I click OneDrive, desktop. There it is, the DSLR Dashboard Capture folder. I'll click select there, and now we've got that set up. So I'm going to X out of this, and then I'm going to click out of that by just clicking on the screen. Now we're going to record a quick video. So I'll click this record icon over here. We've got red text come up showing the counter that it's recording. I'll just wave so you know this is the right recording, and we're going to stop it. So got about a 10-second recording there. We're going to go ahead and check the folder. It looks like it's not there yet, so we need to download it. To do that, let's click on this picture icon over here, and this will bring up our memory card. We're going to go to slot 1, and then you see my picture there. I can hit refresh, and that shows all the images I have on here. The one that I just did was 7442. So let's click on that. And you can see when I click on it, it shows loading down here, and then also loads it into my local storage folder. So this screen pops up and it's black. Maybe it's supposed to be playing a preview here, but it isn't. So I'm just going to X out of that. I see it over here, so I'm not worried about it. And I'll just open this with Windows Media Player and see if it looks good. Okay, so now I hit recording. And now it shows the recording is happening on the camera. So I'm going to hit. So that was actually not the clip that I recorded. Let's see if we can find the one that I did record. Here we go. So that was 7442. Here's 7443. And you can see in that one I had my earphones on because my son was crying. So now he's sleeping. So let's try this. We'll click on 7443. Now it's downloading that one. And we've got that file, so this should be the one where I am waving at the camera. Let's check it out. So I'll click this record icon over here. We've got red text come up. Looks good. I don't have those headphones on. I'll just wave so you know. There's me waving, so this is the right recording. So there you have it. So that's it for this video. We went over connecting the camera, removing the on-screen displays. We used digital zoom to get manual focus, and then we made a recording and saved it to a folder on the desktop. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any requests for other features of the software, just leave them in the comments below. Let me know any other feedback you have. Or go check out the manual. It has a lot of great documentation and resources. There's a lot more you can do with this app. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.